Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Target, and I love couponing at Target. But we're here to do a couple of different gift card promotions and a really good battery deal. One of the gift card promotions is spend $40, get back $10 on a gift card. Then we have a really good battery deal. And then we're going to do a household promotion where you spend $50, you get back $15 on a gift card. And I'm going to show you the sign here shortly. But you want to make sure that you go in your Target Circle offers and you clip this, and that way you'll get the gift card. So we're also going to pair this with a P&G promotion. So that is when you buy a Tide or a Gain product with a fabric softener, but you have to spend $30 after coupons. So we're going to grab a Tide liquid here for $12.99, and we're going to grab some Tide pods, also priced at $12.99. I'll go over the coupons and the breakdown after I grab all of the products. Then I'm going to grab some Downy scent beads. I'm going to grab this kind here for $15.99. You can grab any size that you want. I'm just going for the bigger sizes. Then I am going to grab a Airwick Vibrant plug-in. This is priced at $6.99. The shelf says $7.39, but it rang up for $6.99. So this is everything that we're going to grab. So everything equals out to $49.36, and I didn't want to add anything else to the transaction that would possibly make this much higher than it needed to be. So instead, I decided to swap out my Tide liquid for a bigger Tide liquid. So I actually put back the white bottle of Tide, and I go for a 115-ounce bottle of Tide instead. They are $15.99, so I went with that instead. So now that I have everything that I want to grab in this scenario, I have a total of $53.35. I have a $4 digital for the Downy beads, a $3 digital for the Tide pods, and a $4 digital for the Tide liquid. Now that will make my total $42.35, and I am going to pay that in cash because I don't have any Target gift cards to lower my out-of-pocket, but you absolutely can use a Target gift card to lower your out-of-pocket and still submit for the P&G gift card. So that's totally fine. So our total will be $42.35, and then I'll get back a $15 Target gift card, and then I will submit my receipt to the P&G promotion. That'll be linked down below. I'll get back another $10 there. Then I'm going to submit my receipt to Ibotta, and I'm going to get back $4 for the Airwick Vibrant. That's going to make everything you see here just $13.35, which I think is absolutely amazing. Now, a couple of things really quick about the P&G promotion. Well, it's a rebate. It is spend $30 on laundry products, get back a $10 Visa card. You have to submit that to their website, which will be linked down below, and it has to be after coupons. So you want to make sure that you're over the $30, and then after your coupons come off, you're at the $30 mark. But that doesn't include like getting back a gift card from, say, Target. Also, if you're going with the Tide products, you have to have a Tide laundry detergent, either pods or liquid, and you have to have one fabric softener. That can be Downy beads or liquid or Bounce dryer sheets. Or you can just get it on Gain products, but you can't get both. So the next deal I want to show you, I will be doing in the same transaction as the Tide that I'm getting, and that's on Energizer batteries and flashlights. So I saw this on Saving with Sarah's Instagram, and there's no gift card promotion back for this, but this ends up being a really good deal. So I am going to grab this flashlight set that you see with the two flashlights and then the really small flashlight with batteries in it. It's priced at $12.99. You will want to clip a Target Circle offer that is 20% off any Energizer lights. So I know that there is a $9.99 one that you can do this on, but my store was all out, as you can see. So I'm still going to do this deal because I still think it's pretty decent. So then I'm also going to grab a 4-pack of Energizer batteries. These are priced at $4.99. So like I said, there's a 20% off Target Circle offer on the flashlight set. So that's going to ring up for $10.39, plus the $4.99 batteries will equal out to $15.38. You will pay that, but then you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta, and you'll get back $2 for the flashlight set and 75 cents back for the batteries, plus another $2 back in a bonus for getting the flashlights and the batteries. Then you're going to submit your receipt to Shop.with. There's an offer there on the flashlight set for 1,200 kicks back plus 10 scan kicks. That equals out to $4.84. That's going to make the batteries and the flashlights just $5.79, and you're actually getting 5 batteries in with the flashlights. So for 3 flashlights and 9 batteries, you're paying just under $6. I think that's pretty good. So next we're going to do the promotion where you spend $40, you get back a $10 gift card. That's also something that you will want to add to your in your Target Circle offers. You want to clip that. So we're going to start off by grabbing these Sambucas. I'm not sure how you say it, but they're priced at $6.49. You're going to want to grab 2 of those. I have 2 $2 coupons in my Target Circle offers, so make sure you clip both of those. Then we're also going to submit our receipt to Shop.with. I have two $2 coupons there also. Then we're going to submit our receipt to Ibotta, and we're going to get back $3.50 on each one. We're also going to submit our receipt to Fetch Rewards. I have an offer there for $2 back on each one. So even just doing these 2 bags by themselves is a $6.02 moneymaker. But we got to grab a few more things, and then I'll give you the math for everything at the end. Next, I'm going to grab a Bic razor, priced at $6.49. There's a $4 digital coupon for that, but I'm actually going to grab 2 of them and submit my receipt to Shop.with for the other $4 back. Then I'm going to go over and I'm going to grab a ladies chic razor. My store only had a couple left, but these are priced at $10.49 in my store. We have a Target coupon for that, as well as a $3 manufacturer coupon for that, so that would make that $5.49. And then I'm going to grab some Neutrogena wipes in the makeup section for $5.99, submit my receipt to Shop.with for $3 back. So this is everything that I'm grabbing in the spend $40, get back a $10 gift card, ignore the Tide and the Energizer. My total equals out to $42.44. After my digital coupons, my total will be $29.44. Then I'll get back a $10 gift card, and then I'm going to submit my receipt to Shop.with. I'll get back $3 for the Neutrogena, and then $4 for the other Bic razor. And I'm also submitting it on the elderberry lozenges as well. I'll get back $2 for each one there. Then we're going to submit our receipt to Ibotta for $3.50 back on each one of the lozenges. I'm also going to submit my receipt to Fetch Rewards for another $4 back on the lozenges. That's going to make all the items free and a $2.56 moneymaker. I also have a 5% off offer because it's my birthday. I'll show you the math for that in the car. So that's everything that we are getting today. We are actually going to be doing the spend $40, get back $10 and a gift card first. Then we're going to do our second transaction with the Tide and the Energizer, but we're taking the gift card from the first transaction and using it in the second transaction. That way our transaction for the Tide isn't so much out of pocket. So let's go check out. I'll see you out in the car. We'll take a look at the receipts and see how everything went. Alright guys, so we're back in from Target, and if this looks similar to my CVS ending of my video, that's because it is. I'm at the CVS and I just finished filming that, but I wanted to go over, while I was out and about, I wanted to go over my Target receipts with you and let you know how everything went. I don't go to Target very often, but I do like couponing there. I really, really do. So I did 2 transactions. The one and the batteries I wasn't planning on doing, but Kayla is very influential, and she made me want to go out and coupon. And coupon there, but I was already going to do the laundry deal. But anyways, with this first transaction, I did the spend a $40, get back a $10 gift card. And so with this transaction, I got the Neutrogena wipes, I got the Schick razor, I got the 2 men's Bic razors, and then I got the Nature's Way drops. So that made my total $42.44, but I had a Target Circle coupon for the Schick, so then it shows on the receipt as $8.49. So I'm very, very new to couponing here. I'm going to decipher the receipt the best that I can. So here is my subtotal of $40.44. Now I did have a 5% off for my birthday, so that took $1.53 off. And then $11 in coupons brought my total down to $27.91. So I did get back a $10 gift card. And then I wanted to use this on my next transaction. So I did get back a $10 gift card. I submitted my receipt to Ibotta, and I got back $7 there for the Nature's Way Symbicol drops. So I got $7 back there. I also submitted my receipt to Shop.with. So $4 is for one of the Bic razors, $3 is for the Neutrogena wipes, and then two $2 coupons for the Nature's Way drops. Then I submitted my receipt to Fetch Rewards. I have $2 back there as well. So I got back another $4 for the Nature's Way drops. So that makes that transaction free and a $4.91 moneymaker, which I was very, very surprised with. I was very, very surprised with that. So that's actually, I think, a really good little scenario. You can get some razors, you can get some wipes, and then you get the $10 gift card to roll into your next transaction. And that is where I did the batteries. I did the little flashlight set, and then I did the household deal. So here's my receipt. You can see the batteries there, and then you can see the flashlights. 20% off Target Circle offer came off there. Then I have the Tide, and there's the $4 digital. I have the Downy, and there's the $4 digital, and then another Tide with another $3 digital. So my subtotal was $67.34. I had $11 in coupons, so that brought my total to $56.34. I got back a $15 gift card. Now typically I can reuse a gift card, but the system wouldn't let me reuse the gift card. It wouldn't let me put the $15 on here, even though I already put the $10 on here. And typically in the past I've done that, and then I will go to pay with this and only $10 is available because the transaction isn't finished yet, and the $15 isn't technically on there yet until after the transaction is over with. But anyways, I had to go through and use 2 different cards. Then I'll submit my receipt to the P&G promotion and get back another $10 Visa card there. So super, super happy with that. Then I submitted my receipt to Ibotta, and I got back $4 for the Airwick. I got back $2 for the flashlight. I got back 75 cents for the batteries, and then I got another $2 bonus for getting the flashlights and the batteries. Then I submitted my receipt to Shopkick, and I got back $4.84 there. So that makes that transaction just $17.75, which I think is a very great deal. A really, really great deal. Then I had the $4.91 moneymaker. So that made everything that I got there today just $13.66. Which that's like buying the flashlights and getting everything else for free. Absolutely. I got a lot of cash back. That's why I like Target. You get a lot of cash back. And then you get gift cards that you can hang on to for a year and save them up for Christmas, or you could just use them on your next transaction. So that's one reason why I really, really like Target. So let me know if I deciphered the receipts correctly, because I'm pretty sure that's the math for everything, because I'm looking at the receipts and it's showing me the subtotal, then it's showing me the digital coupon payment, or the coupon as a payment, and then it's showing me what my card was charged for. So I'm really, 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 really happy with everything that I got. So anyways, that is all for my Target video this week. I would love to go every week, but just sometimes it's just not in the cards. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, guys.